full of water, the keto.
Hi guys. So a big drama going on today. No, not drama guys. It's just that we have a big plan. You know, we have to climb up in that attic because there's the viewers are saying that there's a bunch of birds nest there, and so we wanna make it sure that there's not, or if there is, then they are really right. And we got challenged that there's really birds up there, birds nest. Well, right now guys, we are boiling. Oh, there's Marites.
What are you doing with the boiling water?
Unsa man kagay ko?
There's a lot of black bugs in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna kill bugs.
The boiling water on the black bugs?
Yeah, because rather than spraying it with a spray. So the black bugs there, I hope we're not gonna get in trouble for killing the bugs.
Well, I hope you guys don't boil your own feet.
No, that's we don't have to worry about that. But yeah, that's the big plan right now, because the animals likes to come into our house. Animals or bugs? Animals and bugs. Yeah.
Everything.
The cats,
bugs,
snakes,
spiders.
yeah, dogs.
Yeah.
If the dog would have been able to come inside, they would too.
One of them did actually one time.
Yeah, one time.
Yeah.
The small one.
No, remember when I was sitting in that chair where we had the screen doors on?
Oh yeah, that was a long time ago. I'm talking about after the gate.
Oh,
You know, after this gate. So okay, let's do this.
Itong dito.
Ay yeah, the bugs in here. My gosh, let's check it.
Kita magpasigag suga.
Ay, we can. Maribin thinks that we should not turn on the light.
Yeah, see this bugs in here earlier that I sweat already, and there's
Look at. See the black bugs.
Oh yeah, wow.
Yeah, look at that.
Who are they?
Can you touch them?
I don't know
Like
what they are.
kuhita
No,
daw.
they might be ticks, don't.
No, I'm just gonna use this. Ay, hala oh, nagtapok sila oh.
There
Look at
might be
this.
ticks, don't spider them all around.
Kuha kay kuan.
There you got one right there.
Katag.
You're going all over the place now. Leave them alone.
Silhiga. Asa marong silhig?
Dala oh, daghan kay kay dito.
Ay, Maribin said there's more in here. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God.
Last week.
Look at this, honey. Look. Oh my God, guys. Look at this.
Oh, daghan.
All the way here.
Ano ba?
Ay, silhigo na lang ni. Yeah, oh, no, na sweep it. That's why Maribin's boiling some water for this.
To kill the
Yeah, to kill. Look at all
Tanawa
this.
dito. Il.
Turo.
Huh? Oh my God, there's more in here.
Tanawa kani oh. Tanawa.
Uy, hala, look at
Oh my
this.
God, naghan man dili kay dili oh.
Oh, look at this.
Everywhere.
Oh my
Very
God.
good.
Turn off the light.
Our house is infested.
Tungkol sa kadalag lights.
Look at all of this up here.
Oh, that's a spider webs. It's not the
It's
bug.
looking nasty, man.
Katul kayo na.
Ay, look at this. Oh my God.
Napag-edit dalian.
Allah, look at this. Oh my God, look at that.
And they're crawling everywhere.
And even there.
Well, what kind they are?
Huh? That's black bugs, I told you. Look at here.
Wow.
Even here. Our house is infested with these bugs.
They're spraying.
Yeah, well, that's why Maribin is boiling the water. So we can...
Need more water to kill them.
Ngapod gani dai diri.
Uy. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh, uy. I didn't even notice all these black bugs here, right here.
Yeah.
Look. Are they dead or not?
Ayaw bungkaw ka gani.
Ay.
Don't mess them. Spread them.
Yeah, they're not dead. They're alive.
They hired
I would just
during
spray them
the
with the insecticide. You know, that water's not going to be enough to kill them all.
Don't step on them. Don't step on them.
Wow. Spray them.
Ay, nako.
Wow, what's all of it there?
Yeah, our house is infested with
Gi,
these bugs.
kuha na lang, Gi. Init na lang siya.
God.
Dito ta mo do.
Ayo. So, guys, my goodness. That's a big job to do. Should we just spray them?
Ay, we don't know.
What to do? Well, maribin, giba, kung ano, gipawangan mo to?
Don't we have some insect spray?
Yeah, but they are very strong. They're not good for your lungs.
Paano to kung sininglas pa nga ito?
Well, we just spray it outside.
Maribin is gonna sweep some of it. Asa man na to ibutang? Ay, Maribin. Ay, maybe we should put them together in a bucket and then pour water rather than
Well, they climb right out of the bucket.
Dito na lang sa may basura. Itong akong gibuhat kaya ako lang.
Just spray them. Why don't you
or
just spray
we
'em?
can put them in a plastic so that they don't crawl up.
Yeah, according to
Sana.
what's going in the house now.
Ha?
So you disturb them.
No, it
Bunga
went
na mo. Lain kayo nung manupok sila ng...
Oh, isu na lang lagi silupin. Magwa kung kuha nga silupin na lang aron mauso.
Pag-init, daghan di.
Tama naman to. What we can do is put them all inside the plastic bag and then look, once they're all in a plastic bag, we just have to pour the boiling water inside the plastic bag. Huh?
There's no plastic bag.
It's not gonna melt the plastic bag. It's not like in the on the fire. It
Let's
is a
just spray
boiling
some
water.
insecticide in there, in the plastic bag. Gonna do that.
Well, because we don't like to use the spray. We rather to use the natural way. You know? Oh,
Baka itong kuhan di ka.
plastic lagi okay. Gusto plastic or sa kanang murag kabo ba? Yeah, distinct.
Baka itong kuhan, ang dama ka kuri.
One takuri. Okay. Marites is gonna get the takuri. The kit.
Wow.
Oh my God, look at this. Honey, look.
Oh wow.
Be, di ate nga ngamang ba?
Crawling everywhere, man.
Yeah.
Ay, dili na lang matutubuan di. Matay. Di ba sa ispan?
Anamon ra.
Sige daw, be.
Gi. Sige daw, Gi.
Sige, bubuy daw gamay, gi.
Ibubuhay daw gamay kung kuan.
Patay dito eh.
Lah.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. We're serial killers. Uy, Maribin, oh. Oh my God, the thing is dead, honey.
Oh.
They're dead. Maribin,
Enjoy it and kill them one by one.
Maribin don't have a problem doing. Uy, oh. Yeah, they're dead already.
Ayaw ko na ha. Kainit ba kayo?
Problem solved for now.
I'll be back.
Ay, hala. Tanawa, Gi.
Ano?
Naisag sa langgam.
Ay,
Uy, look at this.
Hello.
Oh my
Pagkantay
God.
anak ha. Magpasok di ko pastor juga anak.
Oh my God, there's a... Nailanggam
Hello,
mo.
kunay. Sige, tawag anak.
Bird's nest. Ah, there's an
Bisaya
egg.
Ba?
Sag.
Salag. Salag oh.
Uy, sag sa langgam. Dawa.
Takti na naman.
Oh my God.
Hindi na lang na.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave it there. Of course, we're not gonna... Look at...
Hindi na rin yung bakbag niya.
Mukuan man guna sila o mga kuan kay mutago na sila. Bangag-bangag ba?
Ganahan na sila ginit. Bugnaw.
Manawi.
Sabalay bit. Damay.
Ang dama na di.
Ay, gibubuan na lang.
Ayo kay tapukon ba kay mausa ra kay mahurot na lang ng ininit tubig. Grabe, uy, it's really stinky.
Kana ko?
It stinks so bad.
Mana oh.
Ayaw, ikuan ko ng dito. Legit kayo. Git.
Sige.
Git.
Ikuan. Grabe, it really stinks.
Patay na. Di mo matay.
Ininit, yeah, it's boiling.
Yeah, it's better than
The spray. Yeah, the spray.
ani na lang every morning.
Oh my God.
Every morning.
Every morning, di mauna ng mga daan. Siguro dito nagtapok na. They gathered here for I don't know how many weeks already. So,
Kato pa lang last week, kakatong gisilhig na ako.
grabe po kayo. Ngayon, nagkagabi, mo balik na sila lupad-lupad, no?
Go dito guys.
It's stinky. Sana nasa imong tiil, go. Perti na yung hana o turo.
Nga magtapok na panigara sa tubak mo.
Oh my God.
You guys help the bugs commit suicide?
Hey, look at this, look. Tara, look at that. Tanaw sa nato dang daspan, bi.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Anong usa ba?
Ay!
Oh?
Third batch.
Yeah, that's the third one.
Wow.
Maritis, the one pour the boiling water.
The suicide sisters.
The killer, the bug killer sister.
Look at that,
That's
that guy there.
Oh, darap mo.
The red multicab passed by again. I almost ran over it. See, Maritis poured the boiling water and they died right away.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a team.
What a team, huh?
Sa gulay na pod ko. Siligi ba?
Namatay. Do you think they will come back to life?
No. No. they're
Oh, it seems like they died right now.
dead. Unless they're zombie bugs. Maybe they're zombified bugs.
another batch. Nakuyuan niya dire.
Huh?
Another batch.
Maybe tonight there's gonna be another bug.
Yeah, there might be.
Four.
Hala, Maritis is pouring boiling water now. Hindi.
Good. Oh no. Kill him. Kill 'em all.
I don't know. It's a. Oh look! Can you
Irigi.
look at that bird's nest in the bottom of that pine tree?
Oh, that's it.
Look, I'll show you. Look at.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's in the bottom. Huh?
Oh wow.
See?
Una pa, dali ako.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's egg in it. Only
Is there?
one. Yeah, one egg.
Wow. Don't disturb it.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm gonna let it
What, are you guys
live.
gonna start killing little birds now too?
No, we're not. We're not. They're poor birdie. Yeah, I like seeing birds around. We like birds anyway.
Yeah.
Except the ones that make a nest in the house, but in the trees, you know. No problem. Ano sa luyo ni Agi? Oh, they went in the other side
There's
of.
more down there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Na dito sa luyo na apod.
Wala na.
They are serial killer bugs.
The
Bug.
suicide sisters.
Did you guys kill them all? They kill all the bugs. Look at Maritis. She's killing every single one that she
Ay,
sees.
pani kaysa
Yeah,
one
it's-
is spray.
yeah, the spray. I don't like using the spray because it, you know, it gives
Yeah,
me
very
a
dangerous.
very dangerous. Yeah, that at least that's a natural way. Natural way of
Killing ba?
killing them all. Plus, it's harmless. I mean, to our health.
Harmless to us. Kind of hurts the bugs.
Yeah, it hurts the bug, but it's harmless to us.
Wala sa ilalim gani.
Ilalim, suksok.
Ang tama na. Ito pa oh.
There's more.
Haman.
There's
Oh,
more.
dara oh.
La,
Dagat kayo hindi.
Ay, daghana di das kilid gi oh.
Dili po
Tupo.
mo.
Tingnan nga ako ang silihig.
Ako. Kapag nagkamang-kamanggi.
Asa man?
Bubot sila.
What?
What that is?
Yeah, that's probably from cigarette.
Oh.
My gosh, I'm dizzy. So I guess the next plan is to go up there and Maribel is gonna check, see if there are bird nests.
Yeah, your brother's book there.
No, it's fine. Marites needs to get some bag in there anyway. She's
I
gonna
need
borrow.
to do this for the challenge.
Challenge.
Asa man? Challenge for 1K. Sige, go!
One a challenge or like a bet 1,000, see if there's bird's nest there. Maribin can bring the camera up there. Are you gonna climb there? Gi? You can climb. Gi. Maritis is not the tree climber anyway like us, but you can do it. Gi.
Modern, magod ko na tao, guys.
New generation.
New generation, magod.
Dala na dito. Hatag.
Ang yan na to. Oh, ikaw po.
I-on ang light, i-on.
Oh naman. Uy. Garbage in here. Wala may extra kuan diriin. Anong hardiplex?
Wait, hindi matapon diha.
Wala.
You can find. Kasi may karton ba?
Gi ay patakag tamak diha gi.
Yan.
There's no
Wala
bird
man.
nest. Wala may bird's nest diri.
Dito daw, go.
In English na ito.
Hala na eh, black bag.
Ha? Lawi.
Kaya na itong.
Kom na iti sa kuan.
To.
There's no
Now.
bird's nest in here.
Wala
No.
man.
Nothing.
Hindi na find bird's nest.
Wala, wait, there's no bird nest.
Okay.
No bird's nest there?
Kita diri ago.
Wala.
No, nothing.
There's bird's nest there. We would have seen some kind of like leaves here.
There's a hole.
Yeah.
Bukas
That's
naman
the
itong
whole-
bag, go.
Say hi, pud mo dira. Say hi. Kitaan mo. Hello. There's the hole. There's no bird's nest. Dennis and Marisa.
Is there a piece
Down
of
here.
cardboard there, Mervin?
Wala dyan pwede matabon di ha?
Lumaon eh, go.
Plywood, unta to no?
Kato, go. Kano mo na karton, go. Go.
Guniti eh. Guniti.
Oh, marigin.
Ah, gana. Sinani ba oh?
Kana.
Kane?
What about that?
Yeah, that'll work.
Kana
Yeah.
lang. Kana
Yeah,
na
put
lang.
that up there.
Yeah, oh.
It's so
Yeah.
very hot in here, guys.
Very hot. Very, very hot.
Sige, ako ni Dumi dire.
Hi, guys.
Sige, kana na lang.
Kanina lang.
Oh. Kana ba ang
Anong gamay-gamay ki?
Wala na gamay-gamay eh. Kana na lang. Ay, duro. Ano na? Na. Balik sa oh. Ikaw na go, dirira ko.
Dili, may masud.
Ay, balian ano? Sige go.
Dili siya masud. Balion na lang.
Balian na lang. Bali ah.
Ah. Very easy.
Nabalik na guys.
Bali ra.
Yeah, there you go.
We're gonna go guys.
Temporary to forever. Ana?
Oh. Cover the hole, guys. Pwede na, okay na.
See?
Wow, the hole is covered now.
Gi-edit taka ni rag tips.
Ato tanawon diri og sa kurma inagko. Get in there.
Bibi.
Ipadawat ang
Bebe. Sige. There's a luggage.
Marites need.
Oh yeah, and she wants to borrow the luggage because next week they're gonna go to Davao.
Alright.
Yeah, this is my luggage.
Gamit.
Marites is sweating.
The hot there?
Yeah. Inita ay.
Very hot. Oh, that's good, Gig. Because you went up there, that's why I'm gonna let you borrow the luggage.
Good job, girls.
Good job. Here, look at the thing, guys, that we see. They temporarily covered it, so look, it's just temporary.
Good job.
Wow.
Ay, temporary covered na.
Oh, ako na.
Dali na kay gibali oy.
Ay, gibali ra ninyo.
Hindi man mo unsa kay namay.
Box mo dito.
They had to bend that PVC. It was a PVC.
Yeah.
So they had to break
Yeah,
it.
that'll keep the birds out of there.
Yeah, at least the birds cannot. But there's no nest.
The challenge.
Wow, there's no bird's nest in there.
No bird's
They did a great job.
Yeah.
I don't think so that there's
Bird.
rat in here.
No rats there.
Look, beauty. Nice, guys. Nice. Nice.
So, bagay.
Slito malaki.
Slita.
Ay, okay siya, guys.
Oh my gosh. Now you like that luggage, you better return it to me though.
Yeah, sige pa matig tama pa
Oh
ng
my
September.
gosh.
She's gonna be a traveling woman pretty soon. She's gonna need it.
Oh my gosh, and that's my luggage. Yeah, because if you buy one
Years
like
ago.
if you buy one like that, that's probably 1,500 pesos or 2,000 probably.
Guys, no, borrow.
Borrow lang.
Buy it from me, Gi. I will sell it to you for 1,000 pesos.
Titanhan.
500 na lang.
500. Ayaw kay baga na na good
Isa
brand.
ni Jeff.
Jeff.
Ako na lang.
Ay, nakuha ng medyas. This is
Nakuha
my
ni.
sock. Ay, kabuha mo na.
Ako na lang.
Oh, now they want the socks inside the luggage. She wants to.
Guys, I
Oh
bought
my
it
God.
like
Ay, isa na lang ako.
350.
Isa, lita.
Oh, imo isa oh. Split
Pila
tayo.
ni? Pila?
300.
There was socks inside and Marites wants it. Maribin,
Oh,
they
because
just
it's-
split.
I needed these socks, guys.
Why? For what?
Dito aircon man. Very cold.
Because it's cold. I have some socks. Wow, the adventure. What a
What a day.
Yeah, but wow, great job to the girls.
Good job, girls.
Good job, guys. They did it great.
You know?
Nito lagi.
Nice kayo siya, guys. Social kayo siya, guys.
Mura juga korek di badada anak mura juga sus kinsa. Murag si kinsa.
Going to Sibuge.
Yeah, it's like you're going to abroad.
Gigi
Gi.
sa Davao.
Lainan Igi. So,
We're wearing our Jennifer shirts today. Take you, Jennifer.
thank you, friend, for the t-shirt. Yeah, the blue t-shirt here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other one I wore them already. Pink one. This one is light blue. Very nice. You look
Very
good
nice.
in that too.
Yeah, it's what do they call this?
Wrangler.
Wrangler, yeah. It's a good,
Yeah,
good t-shirt.
very
yeah.
nice. See, I like this. I like loose t-shirt. You know,
Yeah.
I don't like tight. So
Yeah.
I like this one and it's comfortable.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks good on you, that color.
Just hanging out in the kitchen again, guys, because getting ready, preparing for Dennis' dinner, and that's
Yeah.
the plan.
That's the plan so far.
And we are also trying to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow. Are we gonna go somewhere? Would you feel like going
Yeah,
somewhere?
I feel like going to take a road trip somewhere.
Really? But we couldn't decide where.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. We'll have to decide where.
Yeah, we have to decide and make a final decision tomorrow. See if
Yeah, I'd like to go over to Catil. I've been wanting to go over there for a while, but it's a long way to drive for
long
one
way
day.
for drive, and I don't like, and I don't want to go there just for a day. You know,
Yeah,
I
I know.
want to spend at least 1 or 2 nights, because you know all the trips there, all that hours, and then when we get there, oh, it's time to go back home before it's
Yeah,
dark.
I
I know,
know.
you know,
It's a
so
long way to go.
long way to go. But it depends how we feel tomorrow, especially how you feel. If you feel like going somewhere, and then we all feel, me, Maribin, and Marites, then
Yeah,
why
if
not?
everybody feels like going somewhere, we will, but if they don't, we won't.
Yeah, it's fine. Marites wants to relax anyway, because it seems like every day she's very drained, that don't have enough sleep, and whenever they have a little time, they use it on review. So
Well, sometimes
so
it refreshes you to go out of town a little bit.
yeah, that's right. So if you don't go anywhere for 1 or 2 days, it makes you feel like, oh my gosh, it's so, like you get this claustrophobic.
Believe me, I know.
Even though our house, you should not feel claustrophobic. That's why we have our house like open, guys. Like here, you can just see,
around.
Yeah, roam around, see through. I don't like a house that is closed here, roam here like that. I want it big, open, wide,
Yeah.
so that you won't feel claustrophobic. Yeah. So I don't know. We'll see tomorrow.
Yep. See how the weather is.
Yeah. How's your dinner?
It was great. Thank you.
We were laughing because Marites taking a bath and she's singing loud.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Does anybody do you sing in the shower
Yeah.
sometimes?
Yes,
I actually heard you
Yeah, sometimes.
sing in the shower before. I don't know if I do that kind of thing. I don't think so.
I did.
Maribin also did.
Yeah.
Maribin right now, guys, she's gonna plant that lemongrass finally, because it's been there for 3 days. I don't know if it's still good. Huh? You think so? Look at this. It looks like it's dying. Huh? Okay pa ka ni? Yeah, she thinks it's still good. She took out that soil from the pot, and then she's gonna put a new one. She think this soil is no good.
Ay, magamit pag niyo. Dagahin siya amigas mo. Wala, bastot ne?
Naaman na yung hanap abigas. There's a lot of answers.
Okay.
She's gonna use the soil. That's not enough. Gamay ay, wala naman na.
Duga?
Oh my God, she said, is it gonna rain again? Oh. Oh, Maribin already planted it. I guess she just put a lot of them in. Planted that, and then one in there. Wow.
Good luck.
I hope they live, because it's very good with this moringa, guys. Look at the moringa.
Atong gusto mo pagpud na yung kamatis eh.
Ay, yeah, the tomato also. We need to plant all this. Look at this pepper. It looks like it's going to fall. Maybe it can. I will let this lean in here. Eh, hikta ni diri go. Maybe we should tie something in here. Diri ba oh? Somewhere.
Just take it out.
I know. That's why, guys, I didn't kill this calamansi tree, because there's still in that side. It's still alive.
Yeah.
See? And there's still fruits in them. Uy, kana imong gamiton dagkuha ana uy. Ay, for the tomato.
Gawin na.
Uy. Let's see if it fits here. We need to put I guess that's good. Ang isa. I need to put fertilizer on them.
Unsa man na but nga pise?
Oh, hikta ni. Ibtar ako ng sagbot diha ang tapos. Very healthy guys. Oh, the moringa. Growing good.
Tanawa oh. Ipanaptan mga black bug.
Muga ni panguhaan ang black bug na yun. There's black bug. You know that kind of bugs we killed earlier? Now it's into the tomatoes. Huh? You know? Ano
What?
that black bug earlier, that bugs,
Yeah.
it's in my tomatoes.
Really?
Yeah,
Well, we don't eat them.
I know. That's why we need to tie it with a thing. So after everything, guys, going on here in the yard. Oh, Maribin got done with all the things. Marites, are you done, Gi? See, look at Marites. She's planning to go to town because she wants to buy some kind of like a couple of outfits for her Davao trip next week.
No,
Yes.
regular na ito.
And she's planning on starting a YouTube channel.
Oh my god, it's just a thought, but I don't know if she's gonna do it. She's still busy, but you know, if she's willing to do it, then why not, right?
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Wala na ti subscriber.
She said no subscriber. No, it's fine. You'll get a lot more subscriber
subscribers.
than us,
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah.
1 year ba ya imong hatong ikaw?
Yeah, it takes a while to grow the subscribers, especially if you do it just your own without
Right.
you know,
Motivate me, guys.
So anyway, guys, we are planning to go to town now and to get take care of a couple of things. Then what you're gonna do?
Same old, same old.
Same old, same old. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow. We'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for
Bye,
watching.
guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.